If you want to post Instagram Reels from your PC or Mac, I'm going to show you how to do this for free in the video. Hey guys, my name's Ben from Ben's Guide, and if you've got 5 minutes, I can show you how to post Instagram Reels, and you'll be able to do this completely free from your PC or your Mac. Start by opening up Google Chrome browser, and then you want to type in the word insist, which is INSSIST. Press enter, and then don't click on the first option, but click on the second option, which will say chrome.google.com. The reason we're doing this is because we're going direct to the Chrome Web Store. Now, I already have this on my PC because it's brilliant and it's free. So you can actually do that by clicking on this blue button. It says remove from Chrome for me, but I already have it. That's why it's asking if I want to remove it or not. For you, it's going to say add extension. So click on that and add the extension. When you've done so, it's going to show up on this area here, which is in your extensions. Click it, open it up, and then click on insist. When this opens up, it's going to ask you to log into Instagram, of course. And all you need to do is go ahead and log in. So just add your details and click login. Then the last thing you need to do is just enter the security code, which will get sent to your mobile that you signed up to your Instagram account with. So grab your phone, check your message, like I'm going to do now. Where's my phone? Here's my phone. And then you just add in the number, which is the security code, and click confirm. Now this is going to sign you in to Instagram through the Insist app on your PC, which is great. This is where all the magic is going to happen now, guys. So quickly, I want to show you what this app can do before I show you how to upload Reels from your PC. On the left-hand side, you can check direct messages. So I can click here, look at my messages, I can reply to them, and I can check them here. Then I can go down and click on Post Assistant, which shows me exactly how my posts have been performing recently. So I can click on this area to check that out if I want to. Then I can go on to hashtags. And this is great because you can actually do some hashtag research here, which Instagram have actually added an update about recently. So that's quite important. And you can actually check out which ones have got kind of high search and which ones would perform well for you. So really handy if you're into that kind of thing there. Let's just click this off and go to what we see in front of us, which is this awesome little extension. And it's just the same as what you would experience on your mobile phone. And it's free. I love that it's free. Yes, you do have a pro version, but most of you are not going to need it. You can check that out if you want to, but for the sake of this tutorial, uploading Reels, it's free, so don't worry about it. Okay, so now let's choose Reels. This is what we're here for, right? To show you guys how to upload Reels. So we've chose Reels, and it's going to pick a file from our computer. So just go ahead, choose the file that you want to add. So for me, it's this one, and click open. And when you've done that, it's going to load the reel straight in here like this. So now we've got this here, we can go ahead and click next. Okay, so now we're here, we can actually check out things like auto cover, frame, and things like that, which is really good. So what I want to do is I want to pick a cover for my video. This is so it's going to hopefully grab people's attention and now click through to the reel. So I can choose one of these frames here. So I'm just going to choose this one, I think, there. So that's going to be my cover. And now I can go ahead and start adding in my details. So I can just add in some description, something like room with a view. And now I can start adding in hashtags. Now, the really cool thing here is that the hashtag assistant on this is really useful. So you can click on hashtag assistant and you can start searching for hashtags, which might be really good for this specific video or reel. And you can choose from things which have a high search or a very high search, as you can see here. And you've got all this information in these hashtags which you can use. So I'm going to grab this one, which is landscape photography, and it says medium engagement, and it shows you the average likes on top posts. it just gives you some really good information to enable you to pick the right hashtags. So for me, I'm going to go to high. I'm going to go to some nature, I think, which is a really generic one. And then I'm going to go to, let's have a look at this one here, best places to go. That's got very high engagement. It's got really high likes, average likes on the posts and comments. So let's go for that. And it's actually kind of quite relevant because this is a really nice place to go. So you can do it this way. This is a really good way to help you to pick the right hashtags for your post. And I'm finally just going to go and add in amazing destination here. So of course, this is just a quick way of showing you how to do it. I'm not going to go into everything, and then you can just go ahead here and you can go ahead and share. So this will then share it to your Instagram Reels. And this is going to be something which you can use every single time on your PC and Mac. Now, hopefully you found this video useful, guys. If you have, please hit that subscribe button and hit like, because that would mean a bunch to me and help the video perform better. Show more people out there with this similar problem how to get around it. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and whatever you do for the rest of the day, make sure it's a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.